Hello. Hey, Rainbow. Welcome back. That was so awkward. Let's try it again. You want to get in him this, Rainbow? Hello. Welcome to the Swan family. YouTube. Welcome back to another Swan family video. That sounds better. Want to say hello? Everybody has their own. Put it down. Chill. Right there. Everybody's got their own. Each day, Rainbow. Alright. Well, that was that. Here you go. We're gonna finish up in here. You done eating? Let's make sure she ate all her antibiotics. No. Come on, you want some more? We have a very tired, hey Rainbow, very tired 3-year-old in the background. Get Rainbow in. We're still learning commands. Come on. Ready? No. Get in. In. Oh, right in. Score. Finish eating your food, little goat. I think Foxy's done. Come on, Foxy. In. Look at her go. Yep, I love it. In. Go. I think that's the word. Alright, Tucker. Stop. Okay, he's eating goat feed. I mean, we're really winning at life. Put it down. We've literally had 8,000 inches of rain this year. We had rabbits in this stall. Meat rabbits we had acquired from a livestock auction that I ended up having to save. But anyways, we had rabbits here, but we just got rid of them. So all this poop is going to be left here. We're going to take, from what I understand, we're going to take the cages out. And these spare tires Robert has put in here for safekeeping, I reckon.
Oh, where's the rabbit?
We got rid of the rabbits. So we're going to be getting all that out of there.
You got rid of the rabbit?
Because we are... Hey, it's okay. We're going to get new rabbits.
What you doing about rabbits?
You better just calm down. They weren't your rabbits.
No rabbits.
Tucker, stop. We're going to get new rabbits. Okay, the kids are just finding out that we got rid of the rabbits. So we're in meltdown mode here. Anyways, we're going to be turning this stall into kind of like a chicken run. We're going to be putting all of our chickens in there. And I think the whole point is that's where we'll throw like manure, bedding that comes out of everybody else's areas. Get down. Stuff like that. We'll go in there and they'll scratch it up, wood chips, all that good stuff. Anyways, they're gonna make our stool for us, is I think my understanding on it. I could be wrong, but I think that's what Robert's plans are. Yes, sis, he wants the jacket off, please. But I think that's the goal for that, is where they'll do the work for us, turning the soil, making soil. We have 2 lots right now that are pretty, actually I'll show you, but they've got quite a bit of work done in here. This is currently where we've been putting all of the bedding and stuff we pull out from the other places. They like to scratch it up and turn the dirt and make good compost underneath that. As we get that kind of going, I think we're going to go ahead and get some more meat rabbits, and then I'm going to get my breeder room cleaned up this week, and then hopefully by the weekend I can get my incubator in there, get it plugged up. I think I have like 50 chicken eggs I'm going to hatch out. Be my first round of chicken eggs. But yeah, I feel like that's the goal, that's the game plan. But anyways, all the animals are fed. I'm going back inside after I round up my son. Where's your brother? Way over there. Come on, Tucker. go in and make supper. Get all my stuff done before Robert gets home so we can get this show on the road. Probably gonna be a late night if I had. Feed time. They're wearing me out. That's our finished project from last night. Oh, now all I got left to do in there, hang the feeder. Everybody's eating. Pepper. I still ain't named that goat. I feel a little ashamed about it. Look at that stinking cow. She didn't just eat a whole bucket full of food. There's Pretty. Pretty. And Pearl. Alright. Come on, Foxy. Alright, that's kind of where we're at. We're going to hang the feeder in there and that'll be done. And then this weekend we're gonna clean a brood room and get the incubator set up. Are you being good? Foxy doesn't stay in the stall. I separate her and Rambo and they eat, because she's a fat puppy and Rambo is a seasoned fella and he takes forever to eat. Look how stinking all this rain. Ain't she pretty? Yeah. Foxy, what you got to say? Huh? Come on. Yep. Alright. That's it. That's where we're at. And we got a Billy in there. But he's sold. He's leaving here. Alright. I'm gonna go put some goats up. Maybe. If they don't run away from me. You need to eat. Yeah. Say what's up, baby girl. Stay smart. What else was I supposed to talk about? Oh, be sure you follow our social medias. They'll be linked down below. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, we got some merch going to be coming out. So y'all stay tuned for that. I'm going to put Carson on the job of that.